Sonu Nigam was such a welcome addition. I think people were anticipating this since a very long time,
Correct.
and the kind of it sounds like a Raga Malika, you know. There's like so many
Yeah.
in it,
Yeah.
and he's just brought out all the some influencer on Instagram had spoken about all the rust that was brought out so well through him, and he's the only guy who could have done justice to this song.
That Shreya's version was Sonu's
But it
version.
was more a hit. It was more popular than version 3.0, I felt.
Yeah, obviously
Um,
she has
more
voice
more
qualities
because
for
this
it.
this
Of
song is
Mere
more like
Tolna.
a dark, you have a
Yeah,
dark flavor to it.
That's right.
yeah.
Because
I
it,
think
as
that
she
is
said,
some
no, it's exhibiting the anger,
Yeah.
the power, and and it's like a no, it has alaps and swerves,
yeah.
and it comes in the climax also. So it's like, so it adds more to that. But other Shreya version is a such a surreally thing that you enjoy even singing. This
Yeah.
one I never felt like singing,
Yeah. What do
honestly.
you think,
But
Arun, actually? Have you heard both
he's
the Mere
he
Dolna?
sung it well. He
Yeah.
sung it well, but yeah, as it's not a. I don't like to sing it. I like to listen, but or it
Yeah.
goes with the scene, the climax, as I mentioned. Yeah.
No, I just listened to the 3.0 in the car some like last week. We were coming back from a Bollywood a cappella competition.
Oh,
Uh,
wow.
yeah, it was held in UC Davis.
Oh,
You should listen to some of these guys, Indian kids, second generation in the US put up this absolutely one of the most riveting one was from University of Washington. They were absolutely going from one pitch to the other pitch through like this was one of the songs, and as I think Sangeeta said, after having listened to that Khamaj or Mr. Khamaj Mere Dhol, this was a little bit.
This is Rageshri, right?
This one,
yeah. Right.
this one is more like Basant or Pantuvarali kind of a thing, where he
Yes.
drops the pancham a lot more, many more times, and then he brings it down. I think it's more like Basant. Sagama, da, and then Sani Dapa. That's like Kahe Ched Ched Mohe Rag, I think. Uh,
Kahe Chedbud.
Similar rag, I think. But then
Again,
there were some
so
amazing remixes and reinterpretations of the 3.0. Uh, one by Abby V. I don't know if you guys heard it.
I have
Yeah,
heard that.
yeah.
It was phenomenal. I mean, that guy is just genius.
Amazing. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's move on to the next song, actually, or if you have more thoughts about this particular Mere Dolna. What do you think about the music director? Did he do anything good?
Amal Malik, yeah. We haven't listened to this kind of stuff coming from him, right?
Correct.
I don't know if he was the composer of this or he just told Sonu Nigam to do
Do
something.
something, I guess, actually.
No idea.
Input from Sonu's, yeah.
Went behind the working of or how the song was made, but both of them are getting good amount of credit for making this song happen. Again, like Sangeeta said, this is not something that would be part of a listening playlist as such, but uh, just to say here that I'm blessed that I could understand the technical nuances that went behind making this song. So
Right.
technically, it's a very sound song that has been made, but of course, the listener and what they prefer, that's something very different than like a song could be made brilliantly, but it's not something that you would listen to every day. That's the irony about classical music. Like it's the most difficult
Right.
to make, but people listen to it so
Yeah,
less.
sure. So Shreya's version was also one of yearning,
Yeah.
as it always is. Like Mere Dholna is a song that's about yearning. So in this movie, the premise is not so much about romance as it was in the yeah, it's more about yearning. And I felt Shreya's version was like the two sisters, they were dancing.
Yeah.
So it's just like in any performance where we try to portray the emotions perfectly. So
Yeah.
it wasn't truly about them imagining their lover or anything like that, but
Yeah.
it was just doing justice to the rust that you bring out as artists. So
That's
that
right.
way I felt they stayed very authentic to the art.
Right.
Technically, it was a very well-made song. The
Yeah.
one Shah sang, like you can't point any such portion where you feel that the emotion was lacking. It
Right.
does what it's supposed to do.
Yeah.
And
Right.
she's the master of this song. Like she
Right.
can sing as many versions of it, and in her own concerts also she does so many variations of this.
Right.
You know, she does her own sargam, and I'm sure after this, I'm
Yeah.
sure she's gonna be wilder with
Yeah.
her creativity.
Right.
तू जो नहीं तो मेरा ये मन है बंजर ज़मीं सूखी रेत जैसी हूँ मैं तू है नमी तू जो नहीं तो मेरा ये मन है बंजर ज़मीं सूखी रेत जैसी हूँ मैं तू है नमी खामोश इन खलाओं से तेरी सदाएं आती है सजदे में सर झुकाऊं मैं तेरी दुआएं आती है मेरी जिंदगी क्या है तेरी ही तो अमानत है चाह कर भी ना बुझेगी अब जन्मों की जो चाहत है ओ पिया मेरे ढोलना सुन मेरे प्यार की धुन मेरे ढोलना सुन मेरी चाहते तो फिजा में बहेगी जिंदा रहेगी होके फना আমি যে তোমার শুধু যে তোমার আমি যে তোমার সানিধা নিধামা मग सनि धनि सा ग म रे सनि धनि सा ग म धनि सनि ध प म ग म ग रे सनि मग सनि धनि सा ग म ग सनि धनि सा ग म ग सनि ध म ग म धनि सनि ध म ग म धनि सा नि धनि सा धनि सा धनि सा धनि सा मदनि 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 धनि सा धनि सा धनि सा मदनि 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 धनि सा ग म नि सा ग म ध ग म ग म ध नि 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 सा 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 नि सा सा नि नि ध ध नि सा सा नि नि ध ध प म ग ग सा सा नि नि ध ध धनि सा 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 नि ध सा सा म ध सा सा আমি যে তোমার
Yeah, we'll get to listen to this song
So
in
how about the Sonu's version? I
yeah,
mean,
Sonu's
Sangeeta was
version is the
mentioning
one
that
that
it had all that element of kind of a
oh
anger
yeah.
and all that
Oh
stuff.
yeah, oh yeah. So this is where in the film Kartik Aaryan's character was explaining how fate dealt with him, right? In his
Right.
last moments. So where he trusted his sisters to keep his
Yeah.
secret, and
Yeah.
he really believed in them that they will encourage him to be who he really wants to be, the way
Yeah.
that he just wanted to be understood, but he couldn't be. He was very simple, and
Yeah.
he was very angry with how they
Yeah.
betrayed him, and they made him meet his end the way he did.
Correct.
So all that was in a steady progression. If you
Yeah.
listen to the lyrics of the song,
Yeah.
it was portrayed so beautifully, composed by
Right.
Amar Malik, and brought to life so beautifully by Sonu Nigam.
Yeah.
So there's Charukeshi, there is Puryadhanashri, there is Basant, Bahar.
So just like you mentioned, actually, it's almost like a Ragamaliga.
Yeah, absolutely. And the way they've played with the rhythm and the music, the crescendo that it builds to at till the end, where that sargam just bursts out, you know, in his
Yeah.
voice. And his I'm sure there'll be master classes to talk about how the voice progression happened.
Another classic that is
Yeah,
correct.
and knowing him, we know how effortlessly all this came to him. And
Yeah.
of late, there've been talks about how he brings each and every word to life in the
Yeah.
song in a way that it doesn't sound like it's too much.
Yeah.
Absolutely not. It's how it is to be. It's the right way to do
Yeah.
it. There's no
Yeah.
other way to do it.
Yeah.
Anything else would have seemed very caricaturish,
Yeah.
you know, and not done justice to the depth of the meaning in the song.
Right.
his flavor is
भोला
clear.
भाला था, सीधा सादा था, मैं तो नादान था। दुनियादारी से होशियारी से मैं तो अनजान था। लगी चोट ऐसी मेरे भोले दिल पे, बिखर सा गया टूट के। जो धागे से छूटा ये रिश्तों का मोती, जुड़ेगा ना अब छूट के। जहरीले सपनों ने, मेरे ही अपनों ने मुझको है धोखा दिया। मेरे ढोल ना सुन, मेरे दर्द की धुन, मेरे ढोल ना सुन, मेरी नफरतें तो फिजा में बहेंगी, जिंदा रहेगी होके फना। तननन तुम, तननन तुम, तननन तुम, तननन तुम, तानो दे देना। आधा अधूरा था बदन ये मेरा, एक गर्क था। जो घर था मेरी जन्नत, एक नर्क था। आधा अधूरा था बदन ये मेरा, एक गर्क था। जो घर था मेरी जन्नत, एक नर्क था। ये तख्त ताज सब तेरे, मैं तो जला के छोड़ूंगा। जिंदा बचेगा ना कोई, सबको मिटा के छोड़ूंगा। ये जिस्म खत्म होता है, ये रूह तो नहीं मरती। चाहे कोई सितमगर हो, ये रूह तो नहीं डरती। Niza 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 dani ni dani ni dani mada da gama mada ni reza niza za niza dani ni dani mada da mada gama mada ni reza sa sa za gama ga 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 mama ga 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 mada ni gama ga ni za gama mada ni da 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 ni za 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 ga ga reza ni da mada ni da ma ga sa ni da ni za gama da ni za ni za ni da ma ga sa gama da sa ni da ma ga ni re gama ni da ma ga sa gama gama da ni za ni za ni za ni za ni za da ni da ni da ni da ni da ni gama mada ni gama gama mada ni da ba gama mama gama ga re ga re sa ni da ni sa da ni za za ga gama ga sa sa ga gama mada da ni da sa ni za ga re za ni da ba ma ga gama da ni da ma ga gama ga re sa ni da ni sa ma ga pa ma ni da ma pa ma gama ga re sa ni sa ma ga pa ma ni da ma pa ma gama ga re sa ni da ni sa da ga ga ni sa da ga gama ma sa sa ga gama ma da ga gama ma da ni ma ma da ni sa da ni sa ga